model, 67-plate Mercedes Vito 116 CDI long starts runs fine needs turbo no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 150596. MOT, the 12th of December 2024. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 163 HPK. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine but it is underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.